On Kenemezi, who told me that if you tell me that what was written in the Bible will later come to reality, sometimes as a human being I will tell you, say, I'm gonna lie, but it is happening now. The people that saw Jesus in the Bible, they later went and started fighting against themselves, against the money that they want to share, against themselves. And they fought and fought and fought against themselves. It is happening. So at last, Benjamin and Ejiofor is now fighting. They are now fighting each other over the selling of Onyendu. They are now fighting each other. To the extent that Ejiofor accused Benjamin Mmadubugwu that Benjamin Mmadubugwu wants to buy him, that he will reveal to his watchers that what is happening, how Ejiofor have been planting, Benjamin have been planning on the ground to buy him. First, let me introduce myself, please. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashiburu, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akọ mmiri. That is the only thing that have brought me upon this very platform. Eziokwu nke ana-akọ mmiri. And you just have to hit the like button and share. You just have to hit the like button and share. Now, Ejiofor made an accusation, saying that he will reveal the identity of Benjamin. Now, let me tell you people, Ejiofor, two of you sold hands were in the selling of Onyendu. There is no identity that you will reveal that we don't even know. We all already know that. Ejiofor, you are a commander of Eastern Security Network. Benjamin is equally the commander of Eastern Security Network. Benjamin is sleeping in Anambra State Government House. Benjamin is now protecting the same Nigerian army that he wants to fight against through guerrilla warfare. The same Nigerian army is doing escort to Benjamin. So two of you sold Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for a pot of porridge of yam. There is nothing that you will reveal to us that we don't even know. We already know everything. Am I communicating, please? We already know everything. So do not reveal what we already know to us. What you should be telling us, or what should be in your mind now to tell us, is how you conspired against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and sold him out. That's the only thing. I don't think that there is anything that anyone is waiting for again. We want to start hearing the confessions. If you ask anyone watching, if you ask anyone sitting on standby, it is confessions that we want to hear. How much Ejiofor received, how much Benjamin received, how much you received to sell the Son of Man. That's the only thing that we want to hear. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashiburu, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akọ mmiri. That is the only thing that we have come to preach upon this very platform. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. You just have to hit the like button and share, please. Hit the like button and share the program amicably. So what are they telling us now? Oh, he will review how Benjamin walked on the ground. But Ejiofor, you also walked on the ground. There is nowhere that Benjamin walked which you, Ejiofor, did not walk. Two of you are criminals. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in DSS dungeon, sleeping in DSS dungeon. You and Ejiofor, that if you say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed atrocity, it is two of you that committed the atrocity in order to make money. And one, the faceless coward called Chinasa Nwoshi. That one bingo. Coward. Hiding at the back of Nokia 3310 to type rubbish. Claiming that he is super. Over super, he cannot show his face. Very, very cowardic in nature. Those are the people that wants me to take them serious. Sometimes when I look at the faceless Imbe called Chinas and Woshi, I said, what a mess. But we are in this very freedom for the freedom of the Biafra people. Nothing more, nothing less. It's either Biafra comes or every human being living in the zoological republic of animal kingdom called Nigeria perish. That's just it. This very freedom must come on the platter of gold, because Elohim Chukwuokukabiyama is God and not man, and only him will give us the desired freedom, because human being cannot. Left for human being, it is better that we all perish. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashiburobi. We must preach this very gospel undilutedly, because Elohim Chukwuokukabiyama is God and not man. So what I am saying is that we want to sit back and hear the criminality of Benjamin. We want to sit down and hear the criminality of Ejiofor. Now, the fight started according to what they wrote. Let me put what they wrote, please. So this is what Ejiofor wrote. Please remember, Ejiofor and Benjamin was working in connectivity when they were bringing lies to you. When Benjamin visit Abuja, it is in Ejiofor's office that they stay and make video and lie to themselves. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not say this. Now let me go to what Ejiofor posted. Benjamin Mmadubugwu Elias Mmaduka Mmadu. Let me be clear, in the coming days, I will disclose to the Biafra community the details of your attempt to harm and eliminate me. I have kept silent for far too long. That silence ends now. Now, according to this very criminal Ejiofor, anytime you have problem with Ejiofor, it will be that you want to eliminate him. In case if you do not know, this is the most deadliest barrister in the history of the Zoological Republic. The deadliest barrister is Ejiofor. If you have a problem with Ejiofor now, he will tag you a kidnapper, a buyer, a this and that. I'm not saying that Benjamin Mmadubugwu is not a buyer. Mmadubugwu is one of the biggest criminals. Now, this Benjamin said, this Ejiofor said, he will disclose to people how Ejiofor wants to buy him. Remember that when Ejiofor have problem with is it Ifeanyi Uba? Not Ifeanyi Uba. What is his name? That guy, one of the richest in Biafra land, one of the richest in his community, he said that man wants to buy him. That man have been planning on how to buy him and end him. That is it. If you have problem with Ejiofor, it will be that you are planning on how to buy him and harm him. But he that is buying people, Ejiofor, is the one buying our people. And nobody is accusing him. He is the one buying our people. At least he is the client to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he went through the back to conspire so that they will jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He made one of the blunder in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case. That is reopening a dead case. Case that is dead and gone. This man went and reopened it. Now let us go, please. You have operated in the shadows, directing deceitful and dangerous act that threatens my safety and the integrity of our people. When the truth is revealed, those responsible will be exposed and held to account. There will be no place for such conduct to hide. Now, Benjamin is now threatening to buy him, threatening to harm him. But he was the paddy of Benjamin. If Benjamin is a terror, you are also a terror. You are in the high command with Benjamin. You are at the high command with Benjamin. You know Benjamin, two of them and a hand to hand. The same boy where Benjamin they use, now the same boy you where be Ejiofor they use. There is nothing difference between two of you. Is there anything different between these two criminals? Benjamin is using the same criminals. Ejiofor is using the same criminals which they have used to lie Ali Bonihi. Please, when you will review the secret of Benjamin, make sure that you review how two of you buy people. How two of you buy people, or how two of you use dangerous chemical on Odanike. You know, you wrote, oh, my mentor, my this thing. I was watching you with one eyes. You will tell the people how you use dangerous chemical on Odanike that resulted to his sudden ill-failing health. And the man, because the man was telling you some certain things that you are doing is not good. You will be revealer. Make we begin to the review now. So that the family of Odanike, when they see you, they chase you with 2 by 2. Unless you tell the people of Anam what happened to Odanike, a very good man. Odanike was a very good man before Ejiofor entered into his life. And when I started exposition, Odanike was calling him, telling him, this is not good, this is not good. As a criminal that he is, he went piam. Use or use. Odanike all of a sudden started his ill-failing health. That is the criminal telling us he will review how they wanted to buy him. Can we review how you buy the other people? I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, please. Okay? Let us go and read, please. I have amassed the evidence and will make a full documented exposition through appropriate public and legal channels. This is your final opportunity to seize any campaign against me and answer for your actions. Okay. It seems that they are dragging something. What are they dragging? Oh, Uchechi Kandana drag Kamana. They are now dragging who supposed to possess Uchechi. This is supposed to what they are dragging. It's supposed to be what they are dragging. Who is supposed to possess Uchechi? Is that not true? Because I got Aquamanka, they do everywhere. I have amassed. You are not serious. Because using this, you have amassed. Two of you know each other now. Huh? Was I not there with you people? I was there with you, Benjamin and Ejiofor. 2 of you know each other. The criminality that you people, when I was seeing you people shouting criminality, I knew that you people I started exposing your own criminality. You went and brought your fellow criminal. That is the one who is governor now, called Chukwuma Soludo. You promoted Chukwuma Soludo. After promoting Chukwuma Soludo, where have you got into? Where have you got into? The same Onana, the same 2 of you is saying, I have amassed. It's better you people confess of how you sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu all the way from Kenya. It's better you start confessing how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sold. 2 of you are heartless. Very, very heartless and deceitful. But the land of Biafra will reject all of you. Because if you are not sincere, the spirit of Biafra will reject you and will continue to reject you till eternity. That is, if you are not sincere, the spirit of Biafra will continue to reject you. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. As the spirit of Biafra have rejected all of them, the spirit of Ifa Jonanu Babiasika have occupied all of them, talking rubbish. I will expose how Benjamin did this and that. But you were there with him. Ejiofor was busy deceiving our young youth, telling them of how we will fight guerrilla war. He will represent us in the this thing. He was there. To Today, the same Ejiofor was there calling people criminals. Were you not the person that deceived those people to come out? Were you not the person deceiving those people to come out? I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, please. It's better that you people dance in the naked and in the open place. Because the spirit of Biafra will not leave you people unless you dance naked at the open place for Biafra people to know the type of human being that you people are. I have a mask. But this, wait, was this Ejiofor and Benjamin, not the people that lied to Biafra people? That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that. Benjamin was the person saying, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu message Ejiofor after they went and cooked their lies. That is one thing that they are trying to teach him as well. This one that they are calling Maswell. Barrister Maswell. You have to take your time. You have to take your time. If you are working with Benjamin Mmadubugwu, take your time. If you are working with somebody who buy the Hiala people, my in-laws, take your time. Benjamin Mmadubugwu is the biggest criminal. There is no criminal bigger than Benjamin Mmadubugwu. No criminal bigger than Benjamin Mmadubugwu. Iba draw Doka. He is one of the most disastrous criminal ever. And one of the most deceitful criminal ever. He lies a lot. And the spirit of Biafra have rejected him. That is the reason why he behaves the way he do. He wear a mask. He wear a mask. The mask. When will you start speaking up, telling the Biafra people what happened to the Biafra people? What happened to the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? A very good man. A very good man. Somebody who offered himself for his own people. When will you start speaking up, telling us what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? When? At least we deserve to know. It is our right. We deserve to know what you people did in Kenya. We deserve to know. It is the right of the Biafra people. That game onuzoro na Kenya, we deserve to know. Unless you people comes out to make the confession, nobody will take you people serious. I mean it. Not a single Biafran will take you people serious. Because we know that you people jinwa nke mmadu wee gbazuo ahịa in Kenya. We know that. Who doesn't know? How you people conspired in Kenya? Who doesn't know? What you people did in Kenya? We know all of those things. How you people conspired. And today, unna call bullshit, bunch of riffrats talking nonsense. Nona call absolutely nonsense. We will mask. We will tell the entire public how Benjamin, what Benjamin does, how he buy people. What the very confession, very important to us is how you people conspired to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's the only confession, very, very important to us. If you are not telling us, shut up, we don't need any other thing from you. We don't need any other thing. I don't think that there is any other thing that any Biafran need from you. Talking about Ejiofor. Now let me go to Ejiofor, to Benjamin through. Nke Benjamin gbagolitekwere. Ọ kpụrụ Ejiofor kpụkpụkpụ. Ọ kụrụ ya one jab, 7 apple, one blow, 7 apple. Let us go and see what Benjamin did to Ejiofor, the charge and bail lawyer. Barrister Ikpu Ụmụnwaanyị. After Ejiofor wrote long nonsense in order to expose Benjamin Mmadubugwu, Now come and see through. Then Benjamin replied, Barrister Okpara Maswell Chibuike really went to the NBA annual convention in Enugu 2025 to represent the interest of Ndi Igbo and humanity. Unlike the celebrity photo lawyers. Benjamin Mmadubugwu, the higher killer from Ihiala, Ejiofor n'ala. I told you people that evil never pays. Benjamin knew that Ejiofor is a charge and bail lawyer. Ejiofor have no pedigree. If Ejiofor is going to court, he goes to read dictionary. That is the reason why if Ejiofor is speaking English, you dare not hear anything. He goes to learn complete vocabulary. And let me tell you people, for those who using one nonsense English, vocabulary are combination of many languages. That is the reason why if you go to Britain and start speaking Bambuzu, Bumbuzu, Kotubuzu, Languzu, a British man will be looking at you because in actual sense, he doesn't know what you are saying. Some of you reading dictionary, that is the reason why I laugh at some people who write English but cannot write their mother language. After writing English, they will laugh at them useless self, telling you, you don't know how to speak Igbo. I mean, you don't know how to speak English, you are an illiterate. You don't know how to do this, you are an illiterate. I used to laugh at them. Do you know why? Why I used to laugh at them is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, English is not education. They came and infused their language into us so that they can dictate what we can do. They can dictate it for us. They came and infused their language. So English is never and never education. If you Ejiofor finish court, you will not hear any constructive anything at all. That is the reason why for how many years Mazi Nnamdi Kanu west behind bars. He continued to, when Aloy Ejimako brought up that he is going to charge the Nigerian government of, what are they calling it? That he is going to charge the Nigerian government of extraordinary rendition. He was citing Aloy Ejimako, asking him what's the meaning of extraordinary rendition. Because in actual sense, Ejiofor do not know anything. He is a charge and bail lawyer. Oh, lawyer Ikeguru. Lawyer Naamaha his left from his right. Who have you heard that Ejiofor saved before? Some people will argue, if Ejiofor did not know anything, why did he enter Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case? Which, since he is in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case, have you seen any progress made by Ejiofor? Before and now, who brought Ejiofor, please? It is Uchechi, the ex-wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is Uche Nwabingo. He is the person that brought Ejiofor. And they know the game ha na-azụ. Ejiofor na-eji nwunye mmadụ ụmụnne m. Na-eji ike uche echi o. Ejiofor na-eji ike uche echi. That is the reason why today, as I'm talking to you, Uchechi worth nothing. They have introduced her to the cheapest akuna. Yes, na. Onye kwue pante ya adoka. Ihe ọ nọziwe ime introduce to governor. Nke a governor nke ọzọ. O wee gọzie onye governor ji arahụ ụra. Have Uchechi gone to court to represent or stand in solidarity with the husband who is facing 5 years in detention, not even remanded in the prison, but in the same people who went to Kenya to kidnap him? Have Uchechi gone there? The answer is no. So what are you telling me? What is it that you are telling me? Truthfulness and in all sincerity, we stand kakaraka, we stay kampe, we go nowhere. the truth must be spoken. The evil of those who said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu amangu mmiri atọrọ iko, they are now fighting themselves. They are now resulting to self-hurt and image tarnishing. Oh, Ejiofor is a criminal, Benjamin is criminal. All two of them were criminal. It's not image tarnishing. Two of them were criminal, very well-known, notorious criminals. Two of them. Today, the land of Biafra is rejecting them. The people are rejecting them. They are exposing themselves by themselves. What would I tell you? In truthfulness and in all sincerity, evil never stands. Evil never stands. There is no place in humanity that evil stands before. There is no place in humanity that evil stands or triumphs before. The only thing that can stand the test of time is sincerity. When you are sincere, you can stand the test of time. Today, insincerity have made them to fight against each other. Insincerity have brought their nyash in the open. Insincerity have completely exposed them. Two of them, mind you, two of them celebrated the arrest of Mazi Simon Ekpao, including that Kanu, the Onkata Tavara Okpukpu Anyamara Enolu, one of Afaruku Ibeku. Because Kanu's eyes is in the throne. Ona Mekwetata Echika Echie Yeze. Write this thing that I'm telling you down. This Imbeskele Moscow called Kanu Neche. On a Mekweta Nechi, Kechia king of Afaruku Ibeku. That's the only thing in his mind. And he think that it will not work. We are here to speak the truth. We are here to stand on the truth. We are here to be sincere. On truthfulness and in all sincerity we stand. Because Elohim, Chukwuokuke, the creator of heaven and earth, is God and not man. And only him and him alone will give us the desired freedom that we desire. Human being cannot. And the reason why I speak the way I do is because I know that Elohim, Chukwuokuke Abiam, is on his throne. And as far as God liveth, evil will never triumph over good. Evil will never stand over good. And that is the reason why I do what I do. That is the reason why I speak the way I speak. That is the reason why I stand the way I stand. Because we already know that evil have no place in our lives. We are the children of Chukwuokuke Abiama in heaven. We are the children of Elohim Chukwuokuke Abiama, upon whom and to whom alone all glory and all honor must be unto and not man. So what is happening today? They are disgracing themselves. Gakwa gaga goro popcorn nkegi. Nodela, because they will get to a point that they cannot bear it anymore. Hati wa kyo ibon subwe. Cho your own okute Peter. Dome na okogi goro popcorn dome. Because it will get to a point that they will not bear it anymore. They will begin to expose themselves. They will begin to expose the atrocity that they committed by themselves. That time is coming. They are getting to that time. And we are very close to the time. Just know that at the end of the day, the children of Elohim will gather and clap. Bara Chineke egwu ọṅụ. Toye otuto, because ọ bụ aha ya ka anyị ebuli elu site na ndụdụgando ruo na ndụdụgando. Only his name must be praised and not our names, please. Only his name must be praised in our lives. because he is worthy to be praised. From me, from here, from the temple of the Great Sea, it is good evening, please.